Everyday things that kill your testosterone level. The hormone that men's testicles primarily generate is testosterone. This male sex hormone influences a man's physical appearance, promotes healthy sexual development, and aids in bone and muscular mass growth. The hormone testosterone is in charge of a man's libido and the stimulation of sperm production. Are you curious about the reason behind low testosterone levels in men? All throughout the world, testosterone levels are falling. A national epidemic of low testosterone diagnosis has many men worry about their testosterone levels. The average man's testosterone level has really decreased by around 25% over the past 30 years, according to studies. Age is just one factor that affects your likelihood of having low testosterone, despite the common misconception that lower testosterone exclusively affects older men. As testosterone levels continue to decline, you should think about a number of things. In this video, we're going to see what those are. 1. Using vegetable oils. Grain and real vegetable oils have the power to drastically lower testosterone levels. The rationale for this is that the chemicals, bleaching, and deodorizing methods frequently used in the extraction of vegetable oil have the potential to reduce health benefits and lower testosterone levels. To avoid this issue, it is advised to use healthy oils like coconut or olive oil. When cooking, you can use coconut or olive oil and try to avoid using any other vegetable oil. 2. Stress and anxiety. Stressful living or work routines might lower testosterone levels and impair testosterone production. Your body releases a lot of stress hormone when you are under a lot of stress, which counteracts the benefits of testosterone. There is a negative link between the stress hormone, cortisol, and testosterone. That is, as the stress hormone rises, so do the levels of testosterone. 3. Overweight and excess body fat. We are all aware of the numerous health hazards associated with obesity. Among these, low testosterone levels are one of the health dangers for males. Aromatase, an adrenal enzyme that turns androstenedione and estrone into estrogen, makes up body fat. Thus, having too much body fat might also lower your testosterone levels. 4. Medications. A decrease in testosterone levels can be caused by the adverse effects of certain drugs. Certain regularly prescribed pharmaceuticals, such as statins, which are meant to decrease cholesterol. Also, it indirectly lowers testosterone levels. Additionally, as people age, a number of widely given drugs may cause problems with the body's ability to absorb nutrients. Therefore, it is critical to understand the medications you take and any possible side effects. 5. Excessive alcohol consumption. Alcohol directly affects a number of the mechanisms required to produce testosterone. It is accurate to say that binge drinking can cause your testosterone levels to drop. To be clear, binge drinking raises testosterone levels significantly, but only 1 or 2 drinks do not. The male body uses a specific type of coenzyme to digest alcohol. The coenzyme is necessary for the synthesis of testosterone. Your testosterone levels will gradually decrease if your body is not producing enough of the necessary building block. 6. Refined carbohydrates and sugar. Refined carbs include sugar as well as meals like white rice, pasta, and bread that when consumed immediately turn into sugar. A high glycemic diet has the potential to temporarily lower testosterone levels for many hours. Even yet, a diet rich in healthy carbs must be balanced. In actuality, the creation of testosterone depends on carbohydrates as a building block. Elevated testosterone and decreased cortisol levels have been associated with a diet rich in carbohydrates. Therefore, it's critical to stay away from processed versions and eat more carbohydrates, which are rich in nutrients. In fact, drinking out of plastic bottles lowers testosterone levels. Bisphenol A, a synthetic compound found in plastic containers that have overheated, can form in a variety of plastic containers, including bottles. According to a recent study, 89% of males who visited reproductive clinics had levels of bisphenol A in their bodies. The basic line is that in order to prevent your testosterone levels from dropping, you should try to drink from glass or stainless steel bottles rather than plastic ones. Here are a few ways you might be secretly reducing your testosterone levels. But in order to determine what else might be going on, your doctor will most likely also inquire about your lifestyle. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.